As the digital landscape continues to grow, the amount of data collected is skyrocketing. But you can't leverage your data if you don't have the right tools to aggregate, organize, and analyze it. Corrigo's Insights digs deep to uncover the comparative trends you need to really understand your operations, going beyond in-the-moment dashboards to answer bigger questions about how your business is performing. Insights tunnels into multiple areas of your operation, crunching, cross-referencing, and delivering insights across dynamic, customizable dashboards with actionable intelligence to drive real value. Insights financial dashboards help you to track your spending to the penny by specialty or geography or other factors for more accurate capital planning. Visualize savings opportunities that can be pursued to improve your bottom line. Optimization Insights enable you to evaluate the quality of work performed by your vendors and internal technicians, highlighting the best ones and identifying opportunities for improvement, empowering you to find the right vendor for you. Finally, with Insights Assets Dashboard, you can drill down and uncover what the assets around your organization are telling you, including repair-replace recommendations and which assets need more information. The bottom line is BI does the data mining a busy FM doesn't have time to do. Corrigo's intelligence-driven FM platform cuts the data mountain down to size, arming FMs with the intelligent tools they need to make their operations run a whole lot smarter.